LASER-1-OPAQUE Heat Transfer Papers from Nina Koldenhove transfers full-color images to 100% cotton, blends, and polyester dark fabrics. LASER-1-OPAQUE Heat Transfer Paper creates smooth, detailed, vibrant, and durable images, and it will withstand many laundry cycles, regardless of the model of laser printer or copier used to print the image. Nina Koldenhove recommends using the OPAQUE Data Laser printers for the best results. This makes LASER-1-OPAQUE your best option for transfer of photographs to dark garments. To get started with the LASER-1-OPAQUE Heat Transfer Papers, you need to print your image in a right-reading format on the non-printed side of the transfer paper. Next, you may trim the unprinted areas of the transfer if desired, so to eliminate the white areas surrounding the transfer. Prior to transferring the image to the fabric, you need to prepare it by ensuring the surface is clean, dry, and wrinkle-free by using a lint roller and your heat press. You are now ready to transfer the image to the fabric. First, bend a corner of the transfer paper and remove the backing paper from the printed image. Place the transfer image on top of the garment with the image facing up or right reading to you. Then completely cover the image with one sheet of siliconized parchment paper or a silicone sheet. When ready, press for 30 seconds at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 177 degrees Celsius using medium pressure of 30 psi or 2 to 3 bar. After the transfer has cooled, peel off the protective sheet in a smooth, even motion. Nina Koldenhove's LASER-1-OPAQUE brand of heat transfer papers allow you to produce colored text, photos, or intricate vectored graphics to dark-colored substrates. LASER-1-OPAQUE brand heat transfer papers allow you to quickly and easily create and sell durable and professional garments.